One way we can all help create a better Canada is by making our homes more energy efficient. Using today's technology, we can improve the energy efficiency of the average home. Watch the power meter to see the difference. Let's start by sealing gaps where heat can escape around windows and doors. Now we're going to replace the old light bulbs with CFL or LED lights, which use a fraction of the electricity and last longer. Next, we're going to install new energy-efficient insulation and a tankless water heater that uses less electricity. To reduce our water usage, we're fitting low-flow shower heads and toilets and ENERGY STAR rated appliances. To save using the dryer, we'll add a clothesline along with solar panels and a wind turbine to generate electricity. So, let's take a look at our home's energy use. We're almost at zero. Remember, you only need to do one of these things to make a difference to our environment. Start your journey with a home energy audit or visit rbc.com/energysaver for information about financing solutions. Let's start saving energy, and together we can create a better Canada.